In this video, I will show you how to fix black screen after champion select in League of Legends. So the first thing you need to do is right click on taskbar and click on task manager, and then you will see in processes the apps here. So you will see the League of Legends here, right click on it and click on end task, and you will see it's gone. And then after that, search for Riot, and you will see the Riot client here. And then right click on it and click on end task, and then do it also on League of Legends. And then after that, exit on it, and then right click on League of Legends app, and then click on properties and click on compatibility, and make sure that this two is checked or turned on, this disable full screen and run this program, and then click on apply and okay. And then also in Riot client, so do these steps again. Make sure to check these two, and then go to search and search for Riot, and then click on open file location. Then right click on it, click on open file location again. You will see this Riot client services, right click on it, and then click on properties, click on compatibility, and make sure to turn this on, these two. And then after that, go to Riot Games, click on LOL folder, click on game folder, and then click on this, right click, and then go to properties and repeat these steps again. And then click on OK. And then after that, try to launch the League of Legends app to see if it's working. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.